don't know about y'all, but it is time for an in-between style for me. These bones are tired. An in-between style for me is not necessarily a protective style, but it's also not unprotected. Before we get started, make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on your notifications so you know when we post. Now, all of these products will be listed below, but one of the products are new, that Jamaican castor oil I've never used before. I don't know how I feel about it. It seems kind of runny compared to other Jamaican castor oils that I have used. Hubby just picked it up from the store because he couldn't find our regular, so we are on a wing and a prayer today. Now, I did make some more flaxseed gel. This gel is not being used to define her curls, but more so as to give me that slippage for detangling. I love using this for detangling. If you want to see how I make my flaxseed gel, the video is linked below. I love using this flaxseed gel on my daughter's 4C hair because it gives the best slippage. You hear me? It allows for a pain-free detangle session. No hooting, no hollering, no tears. Can you believe I found my Art Naturals brush while I was moving? Shayla, my Shayla. I know it seems like I'm being rough, but I promise you I am not. Because if I was, she would be up there hooting, hollering. Y'all, this brush will detangle her hair, okay? It's a miracle worker. After I finish detangling, I twist this section and I move on to the next one. And just like that, her hair is blown out. You've been following me for a while, and you know it's been a journey learning how to blow out some hair. Corn rolling, my dexterity, I need to work on that. But this is a marathon, not a race. I didn't want defined parts for her Bantu knots, so I didn't really focus on that since we are going to be taking these out the next morning. All I did was twist and then wrap it around itself. Twist, 2-strand twist, wrap it around itself. That's it. And this is an in-between style. Let me remind you that this style is not meant to last 3-4 weeks, okay? This is just an overnight, 2-day, 3-day Bantu knot out. That's it. All right, I used some oil to help take out her Bantu knots. Remember, this is supposed to be a cute, fluffy hairstyle. I have to let y'all know how we got to remember. The oil helps make it easier to take out the Bantu knots or even 2-strand twists. And that's it. She got so many compliments at school and at gymnastics on how much they loved her hair, and she loved it too. After her hair had fallen a little bit, it still was so nice to style for the next couple of days. This is another style that we did. We took the Bantu knots out in the front, gave her a cute little hanging bang, and she asked me to do it again. Share and subscribe. Our next video, we are going to be doing hair for the gymnastics competition. I can't wait for you guys to see what we are doing. Thank you for joining us. Bye-bye.